Android 17 just dropped and everyone is missing its best new multitasking feature, which is the app floating bubbles. They let you keep any app open while you work on something else. And in this video, I'll show you step-by-step guide on how to get them and use them on your device. This currently has been released on most Pixel devices, and if you can't find it for your device, you have to wait for your device next Android update. Now it's quite easy to check or get access to this feature if it's already available for your device. What you want to do is open settings, and once settings is open, you want to scroll here till you find system. Tap on system and you see software updates. You can also search for software updates in the search section. Simply search for it and tap on it. It will bring you here. So tap on software update and you see your system updates. Now tap on this. And if you have any updates for your Android version, you'll see them in this section and you'll be able to proceed to download and install them for your device. Currently this is up to date and is running on Android 17, which was released on June 5th. So with this new Android version, you'll be able to use the floating app bubbles. Now on any app you're using, you have the option to float the app. And what you want to do to float apps is, for example, you want to long press on the app on your home screen or on your app drawer and you see bubble. Now tap on bubble and this will proceed to create a bubble. To add more to the bubble, you can simply go back, long press on any application and then tap on bubble. It will be added. You can also tap on the plus icon if you've made a floating bubble of any app previously and you'll be able to open them in this section. Now this doesn't mean you can't use the split screen mode on Android. This will even help you to multitask even more. So for example, if you're using the split screen mode on your Android device, you'll still be able to use the app floating bubbles. Once you have the bubbles opened, you'll be able to move them around your screen. To be able to see any of your previous open apps, simply tap on it and you'll be able to move around between each and every one of them, and it keeps the app open without refreshing. At any point you no longer want to use the floating apps, you can simply drag down and delete them. So that's how to create app floating bubbles on your Android phone. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.